in this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error during the installation of Windows 10 or Windows 11, which says that error 1603 fatal error during installation, this is a very frustrating issue, especially you have to start the installation all over again and you get this error multiple times. So here are some of the solutions that might work for you. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what we need to do is just open up the command prompt from the start menu right here, command prompt CMD, right click and run as administrator like so. And once you get this, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see all of the commands clearly. And there are two commands used in this particular solution. So I am going to link it with the description of this video. So just check that out. You just have to copy and paste that. First of all, we have the first command, just paste it here, hit enter. And then we paste the second command and hit enter. Again, it will not show us any message. It just turns back to the path. So after that, just close out of here. And after that, what we need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, services, hit enter. And from here, we need to search for Windows installer. Now it starts with W. So just press W on your keyboard. And here is Windows installer. Just double click on it. Here, the startup type is already set to manual and the service status is stopped. We just have to start it. And after that, just click OK, close out of here and just try to launch the application again. Hopefully that should resolve the problem. And after that, I also recommend you to restart your PC and then try the Windows setup again. And hopefully that should work. If not, something else what we can try is open up the start menu right here, regedit, right click, run as administrator, click yes. Now registry editor is the main backbone of Windows. So if anything goes wrong, you might come across many errors in Windows. So I always recommend before making any changes, you need to go in file, click on export and simply export the backup with the file reference, date reference, and at what point you took the backup. Just mention it in the file name, save it to a safe location. And after that, just click on the file and import whenever anything goes wrong. You can import that setup and you should be good to go. And now let's go to the HKey local machine, go to system, go to CurrentControlSet, and then we want to head over to the control folder and we have the FileSystem folder. Here it is. Just click on it once. And on the right hand side, you can see all the registry files associated with it. And you want to find this NTFS disable 8.3 name creation, something like that. Just double click on it once. And meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this in the description of this video so that you can easily access it. Let me just show you how. So you just have to go to registry editor, click yes, and then simply paste this link. First of all, just remember to remove that and then you head over directly to this section. So just double click on it and change the value data from 2 to 0 and click OK. And after that, just close out of here, restart your computer once again and just try running the application again and hopefully your problem should be resolved. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also just comment down below if that works for you so that we can help all the community out here, and I will see you in the next one.